If you're still throwing orange peels away, you could be wasting hundreds of dollars a year. Did you know that? Hi, this is Tracy. In previous videos, I shared how to determine if an orange is sweet and how to cut it neatly with minimal effort. Many of you left kind comments. Thank you. But some also asked, isn't it a bit wasteful to throw away the peels? Can they be reused? And today, I'm going to show you a very practical tip: how to reuse orange peels to make an all-purpose cleaner that removes grease and stains effectively, while being completely safe for your hands and your health. How much do you spend each year on cleaning products? Think about it. Maybe it's more than you expected. But don't worry. After today's video, you'll be surprised to see that something you usually toss out can become a hidden gem, a natural alternative to dish soap, glass cleaner, stove spray, and more, saving you quite a bit while avoiding harmful chemicals. So, how exactly do you make this? Why does it work so well? And is it safe to use on baby items? Watch until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing each step in detail. It's simple, easy to do, and absolutely worth trying. Oranges are in season. They're affordable, delicious, and packed with vitamin C, which is great for your health and helps boost your natural immunity. But suppose you feel hesitant to peel them because you're afraid of juice getting everywhere, sticky hands, or breaking the segments. In that case, I have a super simple trick for you. Just cut off both ends of the orange, then use a spoon to gently slide between the peel and the flesh. The orange will come out whole, no mess, and the peel stays perfectly intact. I shared this tip in detail in a previous video, so feel free to check it out and try it yourself. Once you've peeled the orange, don't rush to throw the peel away. The surface of orange peels often has a layer of wax and may contain pesticide residue. So make sure to soak the peel in salt water first, then gently rub to remove the wax and any surface bacteria. This step is very important to ensure safety when reusing orange peels. Finally, just rinse them thoroughly with clean water, and they're ready to be used. Next, make use of the orange peels by cutting the orange peels into moderately sized pieces, then slicing them into small, even strips. Did you know orange peels have many great uses? If you get motion sickness or feel congested, take a fresh piece of orange peel, fold it in half, and gently squeeze it near your nose. The essential oil will spray out in tiny bursts, giving off a fresh, cooling scent. Just take a few light breaths, and you'll feel less nauseous and breathe more easily. It's a simple, safe remedy using something you already have at home. Orange peels contain limonene, a natural antibacterial compound. Limonene is a type of essential oil with a pleasant fragrance that helps kill bacteria, eliminate odors, and fight mold effectively. And hey, Tracy really wants to know where you're from. So please leave a comment below so we can get to know each other and connect more. Now we place the orange peel strips into an empty plastic bottle. Make sure to clean it thoroughly if you're reusing a soda bottle. Next, gradually add the sliced orange peels into the bottle. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda, then pour in clean water until the bottle is about 2/3 full. An important note: always leave 1/3 of the bottle empty. During fermentation, carbon dioxide will accumulate, and if the bottle is too full, pressure can build up, causing the cap to pop off or even burst and spill. After that, shake the bottle gently to dissolve the mixture, then loosely cap it so the gas can escape safely. Place the bottle in a shaded area, away from direct sunlight. Let it ferment naturally for about 3 days. For the best fermentation results, open the cap once a day to release the gas buildup. Be sure to point the bottle away from your face every time you open it. After that, loosely recap it and allow the fermentation to continue. After 3 days, you'll notice the liquid inside turns a darker yellow. This indicates that the orange essential oil has been released and combined with the baking soda to form an effective natural cleaning solution. At this point, the mixture is ready to be used for cleaning tasks in the kitchen, like washing dishes or wiping dirty surfaces, without worrying about harmful effects on your health or the environment. In the past, you probably used regular dishwashing liquid to clean your dishes, right? But did you know that most conventional dish soaps contain harmful chemicals, formaldehyde being one of the most dangerous? It's used as a preservative in some dishwashing liquids, but it can easily build up on the surface of your dishes and even seep into your body over time with repeated use. Frequent exposure to formaldehyde not only has negative effects on your health, but it can also cause your hands to become dry, damaged, and age more quickly. Many people who do housework often experience burning sensations or peeling skin on their hands because of the impact of these chemicals. Instead of worrying about these risks, you can try using natural fermented orange peel cleaner. It's safe, gentle on your hands, and eco-friendly, while still effectively removing grease and stains from your dishes. It also contains no harmful chemicals and has a pleasant scent that helps protect your family's health every day. With this sink full of greasy dishes, just pour a small amount of the cleaner into a bowl. Then use a soft cloth or simply your hands to rub it directly onto the greasy surfaces. Thanks to the mild alkalinity of baking soda, combined with the natural essential oils in the orange peel, the grease breaks down quickly without needing to scrub hard. After rubbing, just rinse with hot water and your dishes will be spotless. No trace of grease or unpleasant odors left behind. What's special about fermented orange peel cleaner is that it leaves no chemical residue, doesn't irritate your skin, and is completely safe to use on children's utensils. The light citrus scent left behind after cleaning also brings a pleasant and relaxing feeling. This method is perfect for anyone who values natural, safe solutions while still wanting a tidy, sparkling kitchen. The filtered liquid from the fermented orange peels can also be used to clean other household items. For convenience, pour it into a spray bottle and use it to wipe down the kitchen, range hood, stovetop, pots and pans, any place that often gets greasy, or to clean cutting boards with lingering odors. The citric acid in oranges helps loosen greasy stains and makes metal, glass, and ceramic surfaces shine without causing strong corrosion. Simply spray the liquid evenly over the surface, wait about 10 minutes for it to take effect, then wipe gently with a damp cloth. You'll be surprised how quickly the grime disappears without needing to scrub hard. And it's not just for the kitchen. Fermented orange cleaner can also be used to clean mirrors, windows, wooden cabinets, and windowsills. Everything comes out spotless, streak-free, and leaves behind a refreshing citrus fragrance that helps you feel more relaxed. Best of all, you won't have to worry about exposure to harsh cleaning agents that harm your skin or respiratory system. It's a green solution that's highly effective, simple, affordable, and something anyone can make at home. What do you think about today's way of using orange peels? Have you ever tried any of these tips? Or maybe you have other creative ideas. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Every opinion from you is a precious source of inspiration for me and the whole community who love DIY, natural cleaning, and green living. If you found today's orange peel tips helpful, don't forget to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any amazing kitchen hacks every week. Thank you so much for spending time watching until the end. See you in the next videos with lots of fun and easy projects to try at home.